Hi, it's Ollie. Welcome back to my channel. I'm filming pretty late tonight because we got a late night delivery from Kika Goods. So forgive the lighting if it's not super nice tonight. But I've been waiting all day for this package, so I'm really excited to do this little unboxing. So I've already on my channel unboxed this gorgeous doll right here. Her name is Queena from Bon Bon Galaxy. And I thought about it for a while. It's like, you know, I think Queena needs a friend. So I decided to order the other Bon Bon Galaxy doll from this series. There was only 2 of them. They're both bunnies. And this one's name is Philly. I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Alright. I love how they package these dolls. It's really thoughtful how they're all tucked into foam and wrapped, and everything is super protected. Got our little outfit pieces here. Some bunny ears. And some little accessories. All right, let's get Philly out of this little mummy wrap. All right, here is Philly free of her wrapping. So pretty, oh my gosh. So initially I got Queena. I thought Queena was more appealing with the closed eyes, but I really like this open eye style as well. I love the scale of these dolls. They're so precious. And just like Queena, she has a lot of nice body blushing in pink on the legs and the paws and the belly. Gorgeous details. Okay, before I get Philly dressed, I'll show you all the things she came with. We've got these 2 adorable bunny ears, magnetic. It also included 2 extra magnets in case you need to replace those. Here's the little magnetic bunny tail. We have 2 extra neck, what are these called? Neck plates. We have our little tutu dress. I think this is her top. It has a little broken heart adornment. These are 2 ear accessories. A lacy elastic headband. And this random little rubber bit. I don't know what that's actually for. And then we have our birth certificate card. And a bunch of papers. Okay, just like Queena, it comes with pictures of Philly and Queena. Nice to have extras. And a little guidebook. Okay, so I've seen other people say that this outfit is difficult to get on, so I'm gonna show you how it goes for me in case you need a little reference. You can also check out my video for Queena. I did the same thing as far as disassembling the head to put on the outfit. So there's a magnetic backing to the head. You just have to carefully pry it away. It's kind of harder to take off than Queena's was. Okay, so you just gotta pry that off. And then you're gonna need some kind of skinny metal tool. In this case, I'm using a comb. And this is gonna help you hold the hook here in order to twist it. So I'm just gonna grab the hook, twist it, and pop the head off. Okay, and then I think that little extra rubber bit it came with is in case this one breaks. It's a little replacement. That's nice. Okay, I have no idea how to put this on. Okay, so this top is just elastic. There's no Velcro. Oh my gosh, I'm guessing it just has to slide onto her, but I am scared. Okay, let's, oh my gosh. Let us carefully give this a try. Let's see. Okay, so here is our body dressed. My goodness, y'all. Okay, this is probably like the most difficult time I've had dressing a doll ever. This little outfit is so intricate and like dainty. Oh my goodness. Okay. I didn't film it, but okay. So for the tube top, there might be a better way of doing it, but what I had to do was position the arms up like this, kind of like if you were putting your own shirt on, and just squeeze them together and slide the tube top over the arms. If you know a better way, let the people know in the comments, but that worked for me. And then, oh my gosh, okay, I'm having a hard time with the skirt. There must be a special way of tying it because it has 4 different ribbons back here, and getting it to lay correctly, I'm having a hard time with. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any good reference photo or guide for dressing this doll, so I'm on my own, I guess. Okay, so here's what I think is supposed to happen. I think in the back, one side of the skirt is supposed to overlap the other. Let's see. Yeah, kind of like this. And then tie it like underneath. But yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to like overlap so that it lays like an actual tutu. If you look here on this side, it seems to be like on the top, and then on this one it's more on the bottom. So I think this one's supposed to lay over this. Okay, I still don't think it's perfectly situated, but I just need it to stay together for the sake of this video, and I will revisit it at another time to get it nice and secured. All right, I'm going to put the head back together. So we just slide that back on. Grab our tool again. This is where it's super necessary. I don't think you can really get it back into place without a tool. Lift it and twist. Okay, easy peasy. Everything feels easy compared to putting that outfit on. My gosh. There we go with the head. I love that it's magnetic. Helps secure it nicely. think I should put this headband on before the ears. It's hard to tell from the photo how this is supposed to be. In the picture, it kind of looks like the elastic is behind the lace and the lace is like sticking up. I don't know if that's the case because I'm having a hard time getting it to do that. Okay, this doll is like way harder to this doll is way harder to dress than Queena was. Like, oh my gosh. Put her tail on back here. If you're having trouble knowing which ear is which, it actually does have a little right and left symbol on the inside of the ears. Okay, finally we have Philly all dressed up. Look at her. So Queena is a very royal theme. And Philly has a little ballerina theme going on with the tutu and the frilly little lace pieces. I did my best. I don't think this is totally accurate to the reference picture as far as the little ear bows and the headband. In the picture, the headband is like sticking up a lot more and really frames the face. I don't know how they got it to do that. I might have to find some kind of way to gently iron it or steam it or something. Let me know if you have any tips to make this bend back. But I think she looks really cute. Okay, so my main reservation about this doll initially was the outfit, and yeah, I think they were trying something with this outfit. It is it's a lot going on. Okay, with all the different little bits of lace and puff and roses, ribbons. Oh my goodness, it's very beautiful, but very difficult to get it situated properly. I don't see myself changing this doll's outfit much in the future because it is so hard to put on, but it's very pretty. I think I'm just gonna have to keep fiddling with it till I get it just how I want it, and then she's just gonna stay in this outfit. But okay, here's a little close-up of the face. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so a detail in her eyes, there's these little like crisscross ribbons that reminds me of ballet shoes. The laces. This is a very frilly outfit. I don't like this outfit as much as Queena's, but I do really like this doll. I think she's really cute, and I think that they look really cute together. The pink and the blue go really nicely, and I'm happy she is gonna have a friend. These dolls are pretty hard to pose, I've found. Just the way that their legs work, it's hard to explain. It's different from a lot of BJDs. So they have this forward facing option, or you can twist them to the side, and then The difficult part is that there's only one joint in the knee. It's not double jointed. So you only really have one option for that. I'm trying to replicate her pose from the picture. Something kind of like this, I think. Here's our little ballerina girl. Okay, I think she looks really sweet. I think of the two of them, Queena is still my favorite, but Philly is also very cute. Let's check out some differences. So Queena has a silver star and Philly has a white star. It's a cute little detail. They both have a really subtle shimmer on their body paint, and Queena has that on the eyes as well, which it doesn't seem like Philly has on her eyes. And then Philly has a little smile and Queena has a downturned mouth. If you have the patience, I do recommend these dolls. I think they're both stunning. It really comes down to personal preference, what your style is. I think Queena's more my style, but Philly is also gorgeous and seems to be the more popular choice of the two. I love the light pink color. I love that their skin tones are like an ombre. There's a lot of ombre details where it fades from soft pink to darker pink. I think she's gorgeous. I absolutely adore this brand and their quality of dolls. They are made of resin instead of PVC, which is more of a plastic. I would describe it kind of like a porcelain feel, which is really nice. It's a higher quality. It's a higher quality material, but you do have to be more careful handling it, I would say. It's a bit more delicate. So if you do get one of these dolls, I just recommend really taking your time with it, as far as getting it dressed, positioned, everything. Just take your time, try to have some patience. Definitely the hardest dressing process I've ever had with a doll before, but that's not to say it isn't worth it. I think she looks really cute in this outfit. I am gonna have to keep fiddling with the skirt to make sure it gets tied on properly, but I think she looks pretty cute. Also, the bows, I have them positioned differently than they are in the photo, because I'll show you. It looks like they're all the way up on the photo, so maybe if we position it over the magnet. No, because then see, it like doesn't stick down. And if you put it up here, it's like not really connected. Someone let me know if you've figured that out as far as positioning these little ear bows. I'm having a heck of a time of it. And in the headband as well. Let me know in the comments, do you have either of these dolls? And which one's your favorite? If you liked this unboxing and review, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos in the future. I mainly collect dolls, but I also have started collecting figures. As you can see in the background, we have a ton of Pop Mart figures also. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to help if I can. If you'd like to pick up one of these dolls for yourself, they are a little pricey, but you can use my code Ollie'sDollies10 for 10% off your order. Till next time, bye!